Hello everyone, welcome back to Road to Ownership. Let's further our knowledge in real estate. Today our title is How to Evaluate a Property Key Factors and Market Analysis. Before we continue, please take a second and subscribe to this channel. It will be greatly appreciated. Today we're diving deep into the exciting world of property evaluation. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a first-time buyer, understanding how to assess a property's value is crucial. It's not just about the asking price. Many factors come into play. We'll be your guides breaking down complex concepts into easy-to-understand steps. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools and knowledge to confidently evaluate properties like a pro. So let's get started. We will cover everything from location analysis, market trends, and property conditions to financial considerations. Stay tuned as we break down each factor in detail, ensuring you have a comprehensive understanding. With this knowledge, you'll be well equipped to make informed decisions and find the perfect property for your needs. So grab a notebook and let's embark on this journey together. Happy learning. You've probably heard it a million times in real estate. Location, location, location. But what does it actually mean? And why is it so important? Location plays a huge role in determining a property's value and its potential for appreciation. Think about it. A property in a desirable neighborhood with good schools, low crime rates, and easy access to amenities will always be in demand. This high demand translates to higher property values and a greater return on your investment. On the other hand, a property in a less desirable area might be cheaper upfront. However, it may not appreciate as quickly or even lose value over time, especially if the neighborhood is in decline. Location is key, but is not the only factor. The property's condition is equally important. A well-maintained property with modern updates will attract more buyers and command a higher price. Think about the roof, foundation, plumbing, electrical systems, and overall structure. These are major components that can be costly to repair or replace. A thorough inspection by a qualified professional is crucial to uncover any hidden problems. Don't forget about cosmetic updates. A fresh coat of paint, updated fixtures, and landscaping can significantly enhance a property's appeal and value. Remember, first impressions matter. The real estate market is dynamic, constantly influenced by economic factors, interest rates, and even seasonal changes. Understanding these trends is essential for making informed decisions. For example, in a seller's market where demand outstrips supply, prices tend to rise. This situation creates competition among buyers, often leading to bidding wars and properties selling above the asking price. Conversely, in a buyer's market where supply exceeds demand, prices tend to stabilize or even decrease. Buyers have more negotiating power, and sellers may need to lower their asking prices to attract offers. Keeping an eye on market trends will help you determine the right time to buy or sell and negotiate the best possible price. Section 5. Comparative market analysis, your secret weapon. Now, let's talk about a powerful tool that can help you determine a property's fair market value. Comparative market analysis, or CMA. This tool is essential for both buyers and sellers in the real estate market. A CMA compares the property you're interested in with similar properties, also known as comps, that have recently sold in the same area. These comparisons are crucial for understanding the market trends and pricing strategies. By analyzing the sale prices of comparable properties, you can get a realistic idea of what buyers are willing to pay in the current market. This analysis helps in making informed decisions and avoiding overpaying or underselling. This information is invaluable, whether you're a buyer trying to determine a fair offer price or a seller setting a competitive listing price. It provides a strategic advantage in negotiations and market positioning. Remember, a CMA is not an appraisal. While an appraisal is conducted by a licensed appraiser and is more detailed, a CMA is a useful preliminary tool. It's a snapshot of market activity and should be used as a guide in conjunction with other evaluation factors. Always consider additional aspects like property, condition, location, and unique features when making your final decision. Section 6. Economic indicators. Reading the signs. The real estate market doesn't exist in a vacuum. It's influenced by broader economic factors. Paying attention to economic indicators can provide valuable insights into the direction of the market. For instance, interest rates play a significant role in affordability. When interest rates are low, borrowing money becomes cheaper, increasing demand for homes and potentially driving up prices. Other indicators to watch include job growth, inflation, and consumer confidence. A strong economy with a healthy job market often translates into a robust real estate market. By staying informed about economic trends, you can anticipate market shifts and make well-timed decisions. Section 7. Recent sales data. Learning from the past. Past sales data is like a treasure trove of information for property evaluation. It offers a historical perspective that can be invaluable when making informed decisions about buying or selling a property. Past sales data is like a treasure trove of information for property evaluation. By examining this data, you can identify trends and patterns that may not be immediately obvious. It provides concrete evidence of what buyers have actually paid for similar properties in the recent past. This information can help set realistic expectations for both buyers and sellers. Start by researching online real estate portals, local MLS listings, and other reliable sources of past sales data, or consult with a real estate agent who has access to comprehensive sales data. An experienced agent can provide insights that you might not find on your own. Look for properties with similar characteristics to the one you're evaluating, such as size, layout, and architectural style, such as size, location, and neighborhood features. The location can significantly impact property values. Age and amenities. Analyze the sale prices, days on market, and any price reductions that occurred. This will give you a comprehensive view of the market and any price reductions that occurred. Understanding how long properties stay on the market can indicate the level of demand. This data will give you a sense of market activity and help you gauge whether prices are trending upwards or downwards, This knowledge can be crucial for making strategic decisions in real estate. Section 8. Putting it all together. Making informed decisions. Evaluating a property involves considering multiple factors, from location and condition to market trends and economic indicators. It's about connecting the dots, and understanding how each piece of the puzzle influences the overall value. Don't be afraid to ask questions, seek expert advice, and do your research. Remember, knowledge is power, and an informed buyer or seller is a confident one. By utilizing the tools and strategies discussed today, you'll be well equipped to navigate the exciting world of real estate and make sound investment decisions. Section 9. Your turn to explore, share, like, and subscribe. One last thing, if there is a topic you would like us to cover, please add it in the comment section. Also take a moment to share and like this video. Thank you.